Hi guys, today we are going to study about the oxyacetylene welding process. Well, in this process, oxygen and acetylene gas are mixed in suitable proportions in a welding torch and ignited. This will act as the heat source for the welding operation. The apparatus consists of two large cylinders, one containing oxygen at high pressure and the other containing acetylene gas. Then it has two pressure regulators fitted on each of the cylinders. This is used to regulate the pressure of the gas flowing from the cylinder to the welding torch. Next, it consists of a welding torch which is used to mix both the oxygen and the acetylene gas in suitable proportions and burn the mixture at its tip. A matchstick or a lighter is used to ignite the mixture at the tip. In operation, the pressure regulators are adjusted such that suitable proportions of oxygen and acetylene gas will enter into the welding torch. In the welding torch, the gases are mixed and then burnt in the atmosphere. This will result in the generation of a flame at the torch tip, which will have a temperature ranging from 3100 to 3500 degrees centigrade. The heat of this flame is then used to melt the workpiece metals. Here, the filler material may be used to supply the additional material to fill the gap which exists between the two workpieces. The molten metal of the filler material will combine with the molten metal of the workpiece and upon solidification will form a joint and hence a single piece of metal. Hence, we can see that the process is simple and inexpensive and also eliminates the requirement of a skilled operator. But it is necessary to note that this process is not suitable for welding thick and high melting point metals. Also, acetylene gas is highly explosive. Hence, proper precautions should be taken regarding its storage and use. Well, depending on the amount of oxygen and acetylene gas mix, different types of flames can be produced in the welding process. Let us study them. First, the neutral flame. Well, the neutral flame is produced when approximately equal amounts of oxygen and acetylene are mixed and burnt at the torch tip. This flame will result in a complete combustion as all the carbon supplied by the acetylene is being consumed. Hence, this type of flame will consist of an inner whitish cone which will be surrounded by a sharp blue flame. The neutral flame is used for welding mild steels, cast iron, aluminium, copper, etc. Next, the oxidizing flame. Well, it is a flame in which there is excess oxygen than required for complete combustion. That is, the amount of oxygen is more than that of the acetylene gas in the mixture. This type of flame will consist of a short inner white cone and an outer envelope which will be narrow and bright in color. These type of flames are used for welding copper based metals and zinc based metals. Next, the reducing flame. Well, in this type of flame, it will consist excess acetylene. That is, the amount of acetylene will be more than that of the oxygen in the mixture. Here, the combustion is incomplete and hence there will be unconsumed carbon present in the flame. This type of flames can be recognized by an acetylene feather which will exist between the inner cone and the outer envelope. The outer envelope is longer than that of the neutral flame and also is much brighter. These type of flames are used in welding nickel and copper alloys and few of the non-ferrous metals. Thank you.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live magazine videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at ClassFly community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.